Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna make a live trading session with FxCoinBot, and also I have a big announcement for you in today's video. So stay here, stay until the end of this video, and you will find out what's all about. Of course, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So, let's go! Alright, thank you for watching. In today, we are on dashboard on FxCoinBot, and for you, those of you who don't know what FxCoinBot is, this is a trading software, automated trading software, and a signals provider, which was released a few weeks ago, and which delivers very good results so far. Also, it's newbie friendly and have an integrated extension which make this software very stable. It's a Chrome extension. Okay, so in today's video I want to make a live trading session, and at the end of this video I will make an announcement about FxCoinBot. For those of you who are interested for FxCoinBot, it's very important, this announcement. And first things first, let's go and make some trades. Let's find some good signals here on the left part of the dashboard of FxCoinBot dashboard. Let's have a quick recap here. We have here these buttons, dashboard extension. Here you will find the extension if you haven't downloaded. Here are the brokers which are connected to your FxCoinBot favorite instruments. Here are all the instruments that you can trade. So let's add all the instruments to the favorite. I will add it now. Bitcoin BGP, Bitcoin USD, Ethereum USD, GBP, Ethereum GBP, Ethereum USD, the last one. Okay, here we can find news. You can find here news related for today: US core PCA deflator for July, Canada Q2. You can go here and you'll find all the news for today that can impact all the trades you are making. Here your profile and log out. What is nice to this software is that here in the left side we can see the probability, the winning probability of every asset. AUD USD, maybe you're wondering why are two AUD USD, because the take profit and stop loss are different. You see here it's 89 pips, here are the stop loss with 63 pips and take profit 76 and take profit 138 pips, and this can impact your trade, of course, but both are on a sell, are on a downtrend. Let's go and place some trades for today. We have here Euro USD. Let's go to Euro USD. Let's set here to one lot in volume. The indicators I set as if you saw my yesterday video, my previous video, or the indicators, I set up all the indicators, and the software will choose the best indicator for me for my trade. And here are the related news. FX option expires for Friday, August 13 at 10 AM. And based on this information, the software make a decision. So let's choose this one. What you have to do, it's only choose your broker from here. Oh, the signal has expired. Let's go and find another one. My advice for you is to find pairs with more than 70% probability. Euro USD. This is my favorite. No, Euro GPI, it's 83%. Euro GPI, it's a buy. Euro GPI, and it's set. Okay, and trade. As you can see here in the left corner, Euro GPI. Okay, one lot, and everything is set. As you can see, stop loss and take profit, and only you have to do is click on trade. And we have here the very nice part, it's that we have here down here you can see your trade. What I was saying earlier is that here in the left corner you have the chat. You can open the chat anytime. If you have any question, you just type it here, and in a couple of minutes, maybe maximum 1 hour, someone will respond to you. It's not like other trading softwares that nobody respond you. You have also an email address that you can use it, and I assure you that someone will respond to you. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. But as usual, as a part of your trading, as a part of your trading strategy, you write down every trade that you make. So this one is Euro GPI. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard and let's find another one. We have New Zealand dollar, US dollar. It's a 74.55 probability, winning probability. And let's set let's set the lot volume at 1, and also choose the broker and just click on trade. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, we have here stop loss at 68 pips and take profit at 165 is very good because this is set very high, and invest. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, it's a buy, and you will have it here, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let's find New Zealand dollar, US dollar. It was a sell, sorry. Okay, let's find another one. We have here Euro GBP. Let's choose another one. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's set the lot volume, choose the broker and trade. Okay, and invest. Order success. And we have it here, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's go and find another one. Let's go back to the dashboard, and we have here Euro GPI. You have Euro GPB with 82 probability. 1, choose your broker and Euro GBP trade. Okay, Euro GBP, it's a buy and invest. Order successful. And we have it here, Euro GBP. We have 4 trades, and at this moment I think it's enough. Let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, so I will be back with the results of today's trading session, live trading session. Stay here, don't go. Alright, hello again everybody. So I'm back with the results of today's trading session using FxCoinBot trading software. And also stay here until the end because I have an announcement to make, a big announcement. If you are interested in FxCoinBot, let's go to see the results of today's trading session. And here are the results of today. We have it was a very surprising and productive day. We have all the assets are in the money, all the trades are in the money, are winning trades, and we have a total of 331 euros profit for today. I didn't saw for some time, I didn't saw an trading software that is as profitable. And to have this is for me the second day of a trading day that I'm trading with this software FxCoinBot, and it's surprising how profitable this trading software it is. If you want to join this software, you have the link below this video, the registration link. Now let's go and have a look on what happened with every trade in part. We have here US dollar, Canadian dollar, which was a buy, and the open price it was at 1.32567, and the close price of 1.32612, and a profit of 30.73 euro. The second one, it was euro Japanese yen. It was a buy, a open price of at 117.302, and a close price at 117.407, and a profit of 98 euros. The third one, euro GBP, euro Great Britain pound, it was a buy also, an open price at 0.90554, and a close price at 0.90667, and a profit of 124.94 euros. And the fourth one, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, it was a sell, an open price at 0.62997, and the close price of 0.62843, and a profit of 139.44. We have so if you want to calculate how many pips in part, here it's 6, 7. Let's have a look. Where is the calculator? 6, 1, 2 minus 5, 7. Yeah. So here we have 45 pips gained at US dollar, Canadian dollar. The second one, 407 minus 302, it's 105 pips on euro GPI, and so on. You can calculate if you want to. And if we go and have a look on our my Global X broker account, as you can see here, my free margin increased from yesterday. It was 647, and now it's 979.67 euros. So what's in the trading software, in FxCoinBot trading software, it's reflected also here in my Global X broker account. Okay, this is the trading session for today. 331.78 profit in this trading session. It's not too small profit, but it's not too big. But if we have every trading day such a profit, I think I am pleased of this profit. I don't know about you, but I am pleased. So this was a trading session for today. Now the big announcement is that Unfortunately, FxCoinBot from starting September, you will have to pay for it. It's an unofficial news. Nobody knows it, but just a small group of people. But I'm telling you that from starting September, because it's working very well, and as you can see, they have very good profit. You will have to pay for it. So if you want to join FxCoinBot, you have to pay starting September. So now you have today and tomorrow, you have two more days to join this trading software without paying. Starting September, you have to pay a fee. That was the announcement that I want to make, and now you have to decide and join. You don't only have to register, you have to you need to also make the deposit in your broker account, in your broker that will be assigned. You have to make that deposit in order to be eligible and not to pay for the software until September. So if you want to join today or tomorrow, you have to register. You'll have a broker assigned. You need to deposit the minimum 250, or if you want to deposit more, 500 or whatever you want, but the minimum is $250. Then you will not pay for the software. This is the only thing you have to do today and tomorrow. Starting September, that is Sunday, you will have to pay. I don't know how much will be. I don't know if it will be 100, 200, 500, 1000. I don't know this information. I don't have this information. I just only know that you will have to pay for it. Okay, this is if you want to join, you have the link below this video in the description area to the official website. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. That's it, the video for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.